So this is a common tell that you have air leak in your chainsaw. Oh, 3/8 super still. Choke. I've got it tuned. I've got the air leak tuned out of it. So I've got the high jack cranked up so or out so much that you can barely notice the air leak. So if I tip it on this side, it's going rich. I've got the carburetor set very, very rich. So this side is going very rich, which means the fluid is plugging the seal on this side. When I go this way, the gas and oil is falling to this side and it's letting extra air in, so it gets lean on this side. Like this, I've got it tuned so it will run properly. So my diagnosis is this side has an air leak, the clutch side.